News I-Team. The union representing Muni bus drivers took the I-Team to court today, trying to stop our investigation into driver safety. Now, this case is all about access to public records. Dan Noyes has already obtained some surprising information for you, and he joins us now with the very latest. Dan?
Well, Jessica, this is a first for us. We've never had someone try to get a temporary restraining order to keep us from obtaining public documents. The I-Team's received several complaints in recent months about Muni bus drivers, so we wondered which drivers are the worst and what have they done. We asked Muni for a list of the 25 drivers with the most complaints and copies of the complaint forms. Muni was all set to hand over the documents until the Transit Workers Union filed this lawsuit yesterday against the city of San Francisco and us, KGO-TV, trying to prevent us from getting the information. Ed Nevin is the attorney for the Bus Drivers Union.
You're concerned about us getting other personal information like Social Securities, birth dates? What are you concerned about?
We're concerned about you getting an advantage where you get personnel records and files and documentation and things that you would never get otherwise in our society, and you think you can because they're government workers, and that's not fair.
I think it's just a red herring. We're not seeking Social Security numbers. We're not seeking anything other than credible complaints about their work performance. And the public has a right to know that. The law is clear that they have a right to know that.
I think that the union is making a terrible mistake.
The executive director of the California First Amendment Coalition says public employee unions are usually strong supporters of open government, and that they're on the wrong side of this fight.
The usual expectations of privacy that ordinary private individuals might have working in the private sector don't apply to nearly the same degree to government employees.
Especially public employees who have people's lives in their hands each day. Late this afternoon, a Superior Court judge ruled against the union. The city must turn over the complaint documents to the I-Team, but personal information can be blacked out at this point until a full hearing on the matter next month.
Even before today's hearing, Muni provided some information about driver complaints, and it raises a very serious question.
The documents show that just 25 drivers account for more than 1,000 complaints during the past 3 years, yet only 2 of those complaints resulted in a finding of confirmed misconduct. The punishment? A warning and a 2-day suspension. So the question, is Muni's disciplinary process working? And could all those complaints really be unjustified? Muni officials are now looking into the issue.
We are working with the union and looking overall at discipline and how it's been handled and how we want to handle it.
We'll be getting the documents on the bus driver complaints on a rolling basis. The first batch has just come in, hand-delivered by Muni. A quick read shows a common problem: bus drivers on their cell phones. We'll have more in the coming days. If you have a tip on this or another investigation, email us through our website, abc7news.com, or call us at 1-888-40-IT.